My name is Łukasz. In this video I will present to you MonkeyJar, a system for automating sales commission. For the purpose of this video, let's imagine you're running a car dealership that sells various models of cars. Until now you've been manually calculating commission for each salesperson using Excel. To scale up the business, you want to automate the process, but you don't want to invest in expensive and unnecessary complex tools designed for large corporations. The solution you need could be MonkeyJar, and I'm here to show you its most important features.
This is a cloud-based SaaS application, so you don't need to install anything. Just log in using either your Google or Microsoft account. In MonkeyJar, you will find a special module for reflecting your sales team structure and its changes over time. You can easily edit it by adding people and their positions. This module is particularly helpful for companies with complex sales structures and for calculating commissions based on the hierarchy. To start calculating commissions, you need to import the data source first. MonkeyJar is integrated with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet files, making the whole process very easy. For your imaginary car dealership, let's upload a file with data such as salesperson ID, the product ID, and other additional info needed for commission calculation, such as the car's brand and its cost. Next, you want to create a new sales commission plan for your salespeople. Let's say that you want to encourage them to sell a particular car brand. First, let's create a sales commission model. It will serve as a template for the new plan and similar ones in the future. Let's name it model based on a car brand. Then just select. It applies to all products, commission rate, car cost, and car brand. The date for calculations is the date of sale. The core of every model is the commission formula, an algorithm explaining how you will calculate commissions for salespeople in plans using this model. In this example, is the sale price times the rate, which we'll define in the next step, plus, let's say, 100 euros as a bonus. Now, you can design a specific sales commission plan based on the previously created commission model. Let's say that you want your salespeople to sell more BMW cars, and to make it more interesting, only the most expensive BMW vehicles. Let's start by filling in the program's name. In our case, it will be the Luxury BMW Cars plan. Then, select the previously created commission model based on a car brand. Add a short description, commission plan for selling BMW cars that cost more than 100,000 euros. Here you define the time period for calculating commissions. Now, select the date when this plan starts working. In the previous commission formula, I used a rate, which we are going to define in this step. It can mean different things depending on what we are selling. In our case, it will be selling BMW cars which cost more than 100,000 euros. So we just add the rate name. Let's assume you want the salesperson to get a 3% commission if they sell a BMW for more than 100,000 euros. Just set the rate value to 3 and the rate format to %. Now, let's make sure that the brand name contains BMW and the price is greater than 100,000 euros. The next step would be to assign the new sales commission plan to specific individuals. Let's presume it applies to everyone and click Save. Then, activate the commission program and our configuration for calculating commissions is complete. Now you can proceed to the actual automated calculation of commissions for the given periods and for specific sellers. Here is where the real magic happens. Commissions have been calculated. Each salesperson will receive an email notifying them of the calculated commission and the amount. We can also check a report showing the commission calculated for each person. An additional feature of MonkeyJar is the so-called agent portal. Dealer portal for each salesperson, where they can check the full history of their sales transactions, predict future commissions, and so on. Everything using an intuitive interface. The system also automates the process of handling complaints from salespeople. To make a complaint in MonkeyJar agent, your sales agent adds the reason for the complaint, for example, incorrect calculation, and then adds the settlement period for which the commission was incorrect. Later on, a notification will appear in MonkeyJar agent indicating whether the complaint was accepted or rejected and for what reason.
As you can see, MonkeyJar is particularly useful when the sales commission rules are not straightforward and at the same time your sales team structure is pretty complex. The cherry on the top is MonkeyJar agent portal, which just makes the everyday job of your salespeople easier. We've been developing sales commission software for large and international companies for more than 15 years. Finally, we decided it's time to create a ready-made product, a software as a service system with all enterprise-grade features, but available for the fraction of the usual price. This system is MonkeyJar. If you would like to see how this system can assist in sales commission calculation within your company, feel free to schedule a demo at monkeyjar.app. We will answer all of your questions and present a live demo showing you how MonkeyJar can assist in your everyday work. You will find all necessary links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.